Can you solve one of the new coding questions in Amazon interviews? So given a string s and a target value, return the maximum number of copies of target that can be formed using the letters from s. Let's say we're given these values, we can generate 2 copies of the target, so we can return 2. Let's go over the dot process. For each of the letter inside the target, we will find the frequency of the letter inside both strings. Then we can divide the frequency of the character inside s by the frequency of the character inside target to determine the number of copies for the current character. Then we can repeat the process to find the number of copies for the remaining characters. The smallest number of copies out of all the characters will be our results. Let's implement the function rearrange characters, taking the input string and target, find the frequency of the letters inside s and target, keep track of the maximum number of copies, iterate through the indices of target, calculate the index of the character inside our frequency array, update max copies if the number of copies for the current character is smaller, return max copies. Now implement the function getFrequency, taking the input string, keep track of the counts, iterate through the indices, increment the count of the current character, return the count.